Simple pan bread. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Start with 200 ml of warm water. Add 10 grams of dried yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir to incorporate and to activate the yeast. Add 360 grams, 2 cups of flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Using a spatula, stir to form a dough. Knead your dough 3 to 5 minutes. Drizzle olive oil into the bowl and over the dough and form the dough into a ball. Cover your dough and allow your dough to rest at least 1 hour until it has doubled in size. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, my dough has doubled in size. Now bring your dough back into a ball. If you like some sesame seeds, place some sesame seeds onto your pan. Shape your dough to the size of the pan. If you desire, add more sesame seeds on top. Close the lid of the pan and allow 30 minutes to rest. After 30 minutes without opening the lid, place your pan on low-medium heat. After 10 minutes, check to see if the bread is ready. When ready, turn the bread over. Once your bread is ready, remove from the pan and allow to cool down for 20 minutes before serving. Simple pan bread stays soft for days, can be enjoyed with a soup or as a sandwich. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe yet if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.